Welcome to another One Love review. And in this review, we're going to try some condiments. So if you watched our Kasori review, we had some condiments that was slapping. I had the bacon tomato mayo on my hamburger. It was delicious.
And I had the
Habanero mayo.
It was pretty good.
Spicy.
It wasn't too spicy. It wasn't. The heat came afterwards, but it wasn't that spicy.
The heat is on. So, in this one, we have Heinz amazing, what would you call these? Mashups, switch-ups. So, we have...
Not switch up, but mashup. It's not switched.
So, we have the honey racha, which is honey and sriracha combination. We have the sweet kachili. I guess it's kachili.
Okay.
So it's like a chili flavor with ketchup.
Okay.
Then we have the mayo chup. Now, if you went to high school.
Mayo ketchup is a famous thing from Puerto Rico. Everybody in Puerto Rico, we eat this for everything. They even give it to you in the restaurant already mixed. You don't have to mix it nowhere. It's already like that.
When we were coming up, we mixed it ourselves. We got the mayo and the ketchup, and we mixed it, and that's what we use on our fries.
We already have it mixed
and our
up.
pizza.
So this is not new.
It's not new for Puerto Rico, but all my American brothers and sisters, stand up. We've made it ourselves.
My Boricuas know we use mayo ketchup with everything.
That's because they got black in them. That's why they came up with it too. Bound to happen. But anyway, we got the mayo ketchup. Then we have Cran Ranch, which is ketchup and ranch.
Okay.
So I don't know how.
I don't know about that, but okay.
Yeah,
I'm willing to try.
And then last but not least, we have mayo must, which is
I mix my ketchup and mustard up when I eat my hot dogs, so I like that.
This is mayonnaise and
oh, that's right.
Mustard.
Oh, that's weird.
There's no ketchup in that.
That's weird, but okay. I'm willing to try.
We gotta try it. And we're gonna let y'all know if they're good or not. So we cooked up a couple of fries so we can, dip and taste. So y'all don't really need to see the fries.
Yeah.
We used our Kasori air fryer toaster oven to cook those. So what you want to try first? Ladies' choice.
I say let's go here first.
Ladies
because
first.
if I don't like it, I can end up with something. Oh, Lord. Babe, stay focused. Stay
You're supposed to
focused.
harmonize with me.
No, stay focused.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Oh, gosh.
That's Moni in the middle. And
I know who it is, but we're here.
All right. So.
Go ahead and shake it up a little bit.
I'm going to try to shake it, but it ain't going to. It's thick.
Yeah.
Thick. Make me stutter.
It's weird that Heinz has a mayonnaise mustard. I was thinking it was mustard and ketchup, but it's mayonnaise and mustard, babe said. So.
Yeah, so.
I'm thinking everything is here is going to be with ketchup, but okay.
Here we go.
All right, let's see. First one.
Sweet.
It's definitely mayonnaise.
Definitely mustard.
And I don't think I want to eat my French fries with mayonnaise.
It's mayonnaise and mustard.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Maybe for something
Not
else.
for fries. We're just using the fries to taste it. But I think on a sandwich,
I think on a sandwich.
a hamburger, this would be good.
Yeah, because you would put ketchup and mustard and
mayo
mayonnaise
on your
So
hot
that would
dog
be
or your
good.
hamburger. So that would work.
Yeah. But not with fries. It's like eating mayonnaise with fries.
Yeah, but it does taste good.
Or fries with mayonnaise.
You can taste the mayo, you can taste the mustard. Definitely would be good on a hamburger.
Yeah, I don't think you have to put that much. Just a tiny bit.
Yeah. So next, we're going to go with the Crunch. That's ketchup and ranch.
That's weird for me too.
It's different. So we'll see what they talking up in here. See what they talking.
That's good. That's good.
All right. Here we go. With girlfriend number 2. I got too much fry. I tasted it, but I couldn't taste it. I taste more ketchup than I do ranch. But it tastes.
It has other stuff in it. Like you could clearly see how the stuff.
But that's the ranch. That's what ranch looks like.
It doesn't taste like ketchup to me.
Because they ketchup and ranch to me. I
don't like it.
I like it.
He likes ranch. I don't.
I
like
do.
Ranch.
I like ranch.
I mean, I'm not saying I don't like ranch, but I'm not a big ranch person like he is. It needs some salt though.
My favorites are ranch, honey mustard, Greek, and Thousand Island.
And he puts them on a lot of things, like things that he needs to learn how to
Anyway,
savor.
Here we go. I like it. She don't.
Yeah, it's not
I'm
my
gonna
thing.
keep all that yin yang for later. Next, we have mayo and ketchup. This one should be pretty straightforward.
I hope it tastes the way it's supposed to taste.
I think it's going to be delicious. Like I said, this takes you back to high school days, man. I need to taste it some a little bit more. All right. Let me get some of that. Let me dap that on there.
Oh, it's a little sweet. It's not even like my regular mayo ketchup.
The ketchup stands
It's not like
out.
the one in Puerto Rico.
The ketchup stands out a lot in this one.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet ketchup. It's not like the Heinz ketchup. Well,
It is Heinz.
Yeah, but Heinz usually isn't sweet. Or is
I
it-
don't know why that's so sweet like that.
Yeah, that's weird.
It doesn't taste like your mixture of mayo ketchup.
No, I think the mayo and mustard is better than this. Definitely.
It almost tastes like it has relish in it. That's
Yeah.
what it tastes like.
Yep, it does. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, the crunch, I like it way better. Mayo chup, I'm not feeling that.
I don't really like it. It's not what I'm used to, so I guess that's why.
Yeah. Next on all of this is the sweet ketchup or chili, which is ketchup and some type of chili. Now, when they say chili, do they mean like
It's probably like
chili you put on hot dog chili, or chili like peppers or something?
chili pepper. Chili, yeah, probably. Let's see. If it has a little kick to it, we'll know.
Let you get in it first. See what you thinking.
It has a little kick to it.
Oh, it does?
Yep. This is good. Not on my French fry really, but on a burger. Oh my God, that would be.
Do you know what
amazing.
this almost reminds me of glaze you would put on ribs.
Yes, that's what I was just saying. On a burger or something.
I
not
would
on
eat
fries.
this on ribs, and it has a kick.
It's good though.
When they said chili,
It's good.
oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, definitely on a meat. I would definitely put that on a burger.
If you like anything with some spice, it's kicking my tongue. It's
But
karate
not-
kicking.
But not so bad like, oh my God, I can't eat this.
It's Luke Kane kicking my tongue.
It's good. I like it.
But this would be, even if you put this on ribs, I would eat it, even with the spicy, because it tastes so good.
Yeah.
I'm all about flavor, and this has a really good flavor.
Yeah. It's my best one so far.
I don't even like spicy, but
It's good. It has a good flavor
I'll
to
make
it.
this happen.
Brand new flavor in your ear. Sorry.
I'm supposed to be saying, what? See, she trying to steal my thing.
Actually, we actually do. In reality, this is us
Boom.
all day in the house. We do the same thing. Not recording
Boom,
anything. We
boom,
just
boom,
we're
boom.
silly like that.
Gotta be.
We have a good relationship.
Yeah, that's kicking my tongue, but it's delicious.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah, I'm about to say that. That's my favorite.
It's combines the delicious taste of classic ketchup and sweet chili.
Yeah. It's,
Combines the delicious taste of
that one's so
ketchup,
good. We got to
mayonnaise.
pause on it for a minute.
Oh, see, this is why this is not the mayo ketchup. We just do ketchup and mayonnaise. This says and special blend of spices. That's why you could taste like a relish or something.
Yeah, I don't like this.
This one has special blend of spices as well, and this one. These three have special blend of spices.
But have to put these in the order I like them. The cran ranch and the sweet chili. The sweet chili #1, cran ranch #2. And I ain't mad at that mayo and mustard.
I mean, I could eat this like on a burger or something on a sandwich.
Yep.
But that's probably it. I don't really like this one or this one.
This one I'll do on some ribs.
Yeah.
Or even chicken.
Yeah.
Ribs
I would
or
do this
chicken?
on any meat. Like chicken, ribs, burgers. I would definitely have that.
Chicken and ribs
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
This one I would definitely put on a burger or a hot dog. And this one I'll put on a burger or a hot dog.
Actually, when I come back from a trip, I'm gonna make Babe some beef ribs, and I'm gonna use this as a base.
Well, don't tease me with a good time. Some beef ribs with some of this on it. I'm all in.
All right, let's try that one.
Yeah, we'll do the last one. We got stuck on that. That was good.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
we got stuck on it. We had
I
to
like
savor
that
that for a minute.
I like that one.
So
Take one more of that.
last but not least, well, it might be least, depending on the taste. The honey racha. And what is that one supposed to be?
Spicy and
Real
and
honey
sweet.
and sriracha.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Honey and I love honey.
Sweet and spicy.
Oh, it came out looking like honey too.
It looks like that sweet and sour sauce.
It does. The orange sauce that the Asian place. All right. This is
All right, ready?
last but not.
Wow, it's so funny how it looks.
Yeah. It definitely like the orange sauce.
Oh, this is pretty good too. I mean, not for fries, but this has
Oh.
a beautiful taste to it.
Oh.
For me, this is gonna have to go like this. For me, for him, he liked that one first.
That's yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
And it's spicy too.
It's so
got
good.
both of these have kicks to them. And I think that has more of a kick than the last one. It has a kick, but it's, oh, you put ribs, chicken with that too? Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna do chicken with this. I'm gonna do ribs with this. Oh my gosh, that is so good.
And they were spicy, but I would eat it anyway.
Yeah. Especially the sweet and the spicy. It's a perfect mix.
I think the only difference we have right now would be I would switch these two. That's the only thing
Yeah,
different
because
I
he's a
would do.
ranch person. That's
And I think this would taste really good on hamburgers and hot dogs. And this chicken and ribs, these two hot dogs and hamburgers,
And
and that
sandwiches.
one, they need to
yeah.
redo
Just
that one.
stick with the mayo ketchup without adding
Yeah,
any
add
extra
anything to it.
blended spices, because ketchup and mayo ketchup is like the bomb all by itself.
Let me go back to something. This one, I didn't put that much on there. This is the
Well, I
cran
really
ranch.
enjoy this review. This is pretty good.
Yeah, cran ranch. It's good. These two, let me go back to this. The sweet chili, what, chili?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, definitely #1.
So, like, this is the plate. How you can see how. Well, this is the one that's the.
The favorite, she's scooping
This is my
up
favorite one.
to finish off.
But can you see that? It looks like the sweet and sour sauce.
The orange duck sauce, that's what it is, that duck sauce. That was good. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah, me too.
Because I love condiments, and if you got a good condiment on some good food, like that hamburger that she made during the Kasori indoor grill, and I put that bacon tomato mayo on it.
That was good.
And
That was
these,
good.
And these are right up there with that.
That was like having a BLT, and then you have the burger there with the cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, so good, so delicious.
So go out to your local store. I ain't gonna say Target, Wally World. If you're in the South, Ingles, Publix,
ShopRite, Pathmark.
Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and try to pick these up and try them out for yourself. I guarantee you, especially now that you're out barbecuing and all that stuff, try these out, man. I know you'll like them. 100% guarantee you'll like them.
There's got to be at least one of these that you're gonna like.
Oh yeah.
I
say
like two of them.
I'm gonna say 2, no matter what, you're gonna like them.
Yeah.
Might not be the two we like. It might be two down here. I don't know about that one. You might be a little weird. But anyway.
To each his own. We're not judging.
To each his own. But there's good taste and bad taste. And some people just have bad taste. Let's just keep it real. So, with that being said, I'm making
I got it, babe. I got it.
That was good. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed our review of Heinz mashup, wonderful ketchups and mayos and chilies and all that good stuff. And make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are currently at 486, so
very close.
We need 14 more to give away an air fryer.
Very, very close.
So we'll probably hit that within the week, next week. So stay tuned for that giveaway. You can have an air fryer.
Yeah.
So, till the next review, be sure to live, laugh, and love.
And dance.
She likes to dance.
Yes.
The merengue, bachata, salsa, reggaeton.
Yep. Those are my things. Those are all my favorite. Everything he just named.
That is. But till then, have a good one and peace.
All right. That was good.